Bergamot essential oil is a very healthy and beneficial oil. It is widely used as a deodorant, vulnerary, vermifuge, antibiotic, antiseptic, antispasmodic, and sedative. It also acts as an analgesic, antidepressant, disinfectant, febrifuge, cicatrizant, and digestive substance. Bergamot is a tropical citrus fruit, which comes in the size of an orange and the color of a lime or a lemon. The scientific name of bergamot is Citrus aurantium var. Or Citrus bergamia. It is a tropical plant but thrives in Europe as well. What is bergamot oil? Bergamot oil is extracted from the rind of the bergamot fruit. The powerful sweet aroma of bergamot oil makes it a popular component in perfumes, and it is often used as the top note. It is derived from cold compression, as opposed to the steam distillation through which many other essential oils are derived. Health benefits of bergamot essential oil. Bergamot oil has a number of uses due to its medicinal properties. Let's explore its health benefits below. Helps relieve depression. Bergamot essential oil helps you relieve signs of depression. A study published in 2011 stated that bergamot oil contains ingredients like alpha-pinene and limonene. Helps lower blood sugar levels. Bergamot essential oil also helps stimulate hormonal secretions, thereby helping to maintain proper metabolic rates. This stimulating effect also increases the secretion of digestive juices, bile, and insulin. This aids in digestion, proper absorption of nutrients, assimilation, and decomposition of sugar, and the resultant lowering of blood sugar. Prevents infections. Research led by the Department of Drug Sciences and Products for Health, the University of Messina, Italy, suggests that certain bergamot oil is antibiotic and disinfectant in nature. Reduces pain. Research conducted at the University of Calabria concluded that bergamot essential oil helps reduce the feeling of pain in the body. It stimulates the secretion of certain hormones, which lessen the sensitivity of nerves to pain. Therefore, it is very helpful in case of headaches, sprains, muscle aches, or any other symptoms/ailments, which require a heavy dosage of analgesic pills. This means that you can avoid the dangerous side effects of many over-the-counter pain medicines, which often have adverse side effects, and can damage your liver and kidneys, as well as cause blood thinning and insomnia. Relaxin and sedative. The flavonoids present in bergamot oil are very good relaxants as well. They soothe the nerves and reduce nervous tension, anxiety, and stress. All of which can help treat ailments associated with stress such as high blood pressure, insomnia, and depression. They can also stimulate the activity of certain hormones in the body, like dopamine and serotonin, which induce feelings of relaxation and sedation. Aids in digestion. Bergamot essential oil activates and increases secretions of the digestive acids, enzymes, and bile, thus facilitating digestion. It also synchronizes and regulates the peristaltic motion of the intestines, and in this way, it quickens the digestive process and reduces strain to the intestinal tract. In this way, this essential oil can reduce constipation, make bowel movements regular, and prevent gastrointestinal complications. Skincare. Studies suggest that bergamot essential oil also aids in keeping the skin youthful. This property of bergamot oil is the reason behind its extensive use in cosmetics such as beauty soaps, creams, and lotions. The cicatrizin in bergamot helps heal scars and other marks on the skin. It also makes the distribution of pigments and melanin uniform, resulting in the fading away of marks and an even, attractive skin tone. This essential oil is commonly used to eliminate the unsightly effects of acne, which can leave noticeable scars on the affected areas for many years. Induces freshness. Bergamot oil is popular among the younger generation, who is always trying new deodorants, searching for something refreshing and natural. This essential oil is an excellent deodorant. The refreshing aroma and disinfectant properties of bergamot oil inhibit the growth of germs, causing body odor. This makes it an effective and attractive delivery system as a deodorant. Citrus smells are very powerful and can overcome or eliminate many other odors, which is why this oil is also used in room fresheners and sprays. relieves spasms. It relaxes nerves and muscles, thereby giving quick relief from cramps, convulsions, and painful muscle contractions. This can also be important for people with chronic coughing, respiratory conditions, or asthma, which is similar to a spasmodic reaction. Speeds up healing. The same disinfectant and antibiotic properties of bergamot oil make it a good antiseptic agent too. It not only promotes fast healing of wounds, cracks in the skin and heals, ulcers, eczema, and itching, but also protects wounds from becoming septic and developing deadly tetanus. It also treats and heals the effects of other infections, and inhibits the formation of new ones. Word of caution: bergamot oil must be protected from sunlight, because bergapten, one of its components, becomes poisonous if exposed to sunlight. That is why the oil should always be stored in dark bottles in dark places. Exposure to sunlight should even be avoided after it is applied to the skin, at least until it gets absorbed into your skin.